Mwiriwe. Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to my channel. I'm Denise Muneza, your Kinyarwanda teacher. You know me now. But if it's the first time, I teach Kinyarwanda and English in Rwanda. I'm from Rwanda, in Kigali. That's where I teach. That's where I'm based. If you could just come to my channel for the first time, so I put different lessons of Kinyarwanda. I explain about Kinyarwanda verbs or Kinyarwanda words that we need in a conversation. I just want to help people to be able to practice Kinyarwanda and to give them some easy, or not easy, but not very complex conversation or grammar, just to start slowly so that people can learn step by step. So if you come in the first time, I just welcome you, and you can join my Kinyarwanda classes. I do different levels, from level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. So I have all levels, and I have students in all different levels. If you want to learn Kinyarwanda, you can contact me on my email. Thank you so much. So let's get started. Today I have a lesson about Kinyarwanda pronunciation, and we're starting again because I'm not going to give you the whole lesson of pronunciation in one video. I'm going to just give you a little so that you just have the beginning. Then, as you know, I want to do step by step. So next time we are going to add more pronunciation exercises and practice. So today we're going to talk about the basic letters, alphabet, you call it, some sound that you need really to know before you go to the complex sounds in Kinyarwanda. So that means we are going to learn about consonant, single consonant. Because in Kinyarwanda you have single consonant with vowels, H, but you have double consonant like NY is double consonant. So we have double, 3, and 4. You can also have 4 consonants together. So that means step by step. Today we are just starting the alphabet, and I only pick up a few consonants that we need to work on because those are the hard sound in Kinyarwanda. So every time we start our videos, we need to learn how to pronounce the language. Kinyarwanda. So most of people, they ask me like, why do we see E, and most of the time you see Kinyarwanda. Even the foreigners, they call it Kinyarwanda. So for us in Kinyarwanda, in our language, we put vowels mostly on all the nouns. So that means the language itself starts with a vowel. So you put E as a vowel, and Chi, K-I is Chi. We are going to see how to pronounce the Chi. Chi and Kinya. Rwanda. So the RW, which will come later, it has the G sound in between. So Rugwa. So it's not Rua, but Rugwa. Ichinya Rugwa Rwanda. So you put that, even if you don't see it in writing, but you put it in pronunciation. Ichinya Rwanda. And this nda. Please repeat. Kinyarwanda. Kinyarwanda. So let's start. So today what I prepared is about the alphabet. So we have in Kinyarwanda we have 24 letters, alphabet I will call it, and in English you have 26. So you know when I teach I use English. So French also have 26, but I don't know about other languages, but I'm just referring to English, which have 26. But Kinyarwanda have 24 letters. And the 24, it means that we don't have X and Q and X. So those two, we don't have them in Kinyarwanda. So that's why we have 24 instead of 26. So in today's video, I want us to work on those alphabet, but not all of them, because I want just to explain. You know, like I give you a little, just one by one, so that you don't have to learn everything at once. So I just pick up the one that are different from English, because otherwise others are like English or French, the sounds are the same. But for us, for example, when you have B is soft. So when you say vite, this word you know it means hi or what's up. So vite is a greeting, vite. So you read V. So the Kinyarwanda B is soft. V. But it becomes soft when there's not any other consonant before or after. Means like it's with a vowel. Vi, vite, vite, vite. But B comes with, this is the answer, nibziza, you know. Hi, and you have to put the ni. This is, wait. Nibziza. So, vite, nibziza. This is the answer of this. But you see, the B here is pronounced hard. It's hard B. Nibiji, nibiji, and the Y here is like a J. Nibiji, nibziza. B, not B, but V. Vite, nibziza. So the B here is a bit hard. This is soft B. So, vite, muraho, muraveho, so Kinyarwanda has that soft sound and hard sound. And the soft sound we have, example is like V. And the vowels is, next one is C. C is in English, but in Kinyarwanda is Ch. So the sound is like S, the C and H. This is how it sounds. Yeah. But we don't write with H, we just write Ch. Like the word gachuriro. Gachuriro. It's a place. Gachuriro. Ch, ch. So the C in some languages like French can have different sounds like S or K. Yeah, so, or I think in Spanish as well. But in Kinyarwanda, it's only one sound, which is just Ch. So, gachuriro. And then we have H. H sound for us is like hard, like it is not hard, but you really hear it. Because I know people who speak French, sometimes they don't, no, I think most of the time they don't pronounce the H. So they say ah, or depends on the vowel that comes after. But in Kinyarwanda, it's always pronounced hard, like ha, ha, ha. So let's say ahano, which means a place. Ahano, ha, ha, ha. Ahano, a place. So H is pronounced in Kinyarwanda. Remember that. And we have J. Let's do here. J. This is also something that people confuse. And I know in some language this sounds like a Y, right? So, in another language the Y sounds like a J. So some languages, but in Kinyarwanda, J is soft, is J, J. Like Jali, it's a place. Jali, Jali. Or you can have Y, it's like Yego. See, they're very different. So this is Ya, this is Ja, J. Like French, je suis, je, but that's how we pronounce it. In English, I think most of English speakers, they pronounce J like J, like they say ijoro, the night. They will read this jari, but no, in Kinyarwanda, we have to pronounce J, like soft J. Remember, and this is different. Je, jari, ya, yego. Another sound we have in Kinyarwanda, so it's L and R. I have explained it with my student. We were talking about it that in Kinyarwanda there's no big difference in L and R. You might even notice that when we speak French or English, we mix them. So where you have R, people read L. Where you have L, they read R. Simply because this is more common. This is the R we use it this more much, and this one is used in proper names or names of places or foreign names. So it comes from foreign names or just names of places or names of people. But in most of words you will find R. So that means like this is really rare and this is common. And most people really pronounce this. And also R, we don't roar it like in French or English, so it's soft. So if we say amakuru, which is how are you, the L here is not amakuru, like we don't really sound it like roll. Amakuru, oh yeah, amakuru, muraho, murabeho. So you see that the L is not really very, very strong. So we also have S and Z. In some languages also this can be Z. The S can sound like in French when you say la maison, so it's S but we read Z. So in also I think in German that's how you read. Sometimes this is like switched. But in Kinyarwanda S is S, like snake, like we really hard S, like S. Sibyo, I like the word sibyo. Sibyo. Sibyo means, isn't it? Sibyo. This is just two words. Sibyo. So the Z is like Z, like in zone. So it's different. So this is what I have. Just very simple, very just some confusion between letters and consonant. So next time we are going to come back and teach you the difference between K and Chi and Cha and G and D, like those confusing consonants. So I hope you keep in touch and you are going to stay there so that you can watch the next video about more sounds in Kinyarwanda. Murakoze cyane, we are together. Turi kumwe. Bye bye.